Yeah, Regina know better than me.
I already
looked at this book, and it was really, really good.
Oh.
Okay, we with my wife Sarina, we produce all the veggie we sell at the market in the property we have in Willanga, and also in the property we bought last year in Currency Creek. In Willanga, that's mainly 40 acres of olive tree and a few veggie. The one you see in the book, they are from Willanga. There are some eggplant, basil, and in Currency Creek we have some vineyard. There also we have some of vegetable we have at the moment in the garden. It's all about seasonal produce. That means we at the moment we have summer stuff like beetroot, tomato, eggplant. In winter we produce broccoli, leeks, cauliflower, fennel. It's the time of the season they change anyway. And yeah, about the recipe my wife is doing, it's one of my favorite one, and that's it. And I congratulate with Regina because she did a really, really good book.
Thank you so much. I'm very proud to have Vergara's Garden in this recipe book along with all of the other producers. I have a special story with Serena and Francesco because I grew up next to the Scarfo family. So my family grew up on Malpas Road, and we grew up with the Scarfo family, which is Serena's parents. And from such a young age, I realised how hard these people work. You know, the family have worked, and still Serena's mum and dad still work hard, and it's just a great, you know, yeah, a great dedication to the people that work so hard, especially farming, because farming is hard. It's working all year round. You know, it's really important for us to support the local farmers, and the recipe that Serena and Francesco chose, you know, makes a little bit of meat go a long way, and it's just simple flavours, a beautiful stuffed eggplant recipe. So I definitely encourage you to purchase a copy of this book, and whenever you're at the markets, please support our local farmers and producers, and help us showcase the Fleurieu and the faces of the Fleurieu, more importantly, and their stories to the rest of South Australia and beyond. Thank you.
Hi, this is Gina's Kitchen, just promoting this beautiful book that we have had the opportunity to enter into. And with my beautiful recipe, my tomato sauce, which I have been making since I was a little girl with my mother. Just love it, love the book. Yeah, just wonderful. And thanks, Regina, for all your intake in the book. It's just beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, and I definitely encourage you all to get a copy of this book because it's people like Gina's Kitchen and Filberry's, their business, which is operated by Gina and her husband and their son. I think it's really important to showcase small business and how hard they work, and I know that when we went out on photo shoot to Gina's property to see their family and how hard they work, and a lot of effort and time goes into the produce and the products that they make. And this, I'm so happy to have this sauce recipe in the book because it has been in Gina's family for such a long time, and it's very special. And you know, it's a great accompaniment to any, you know, pies, pasties, anything that tomato sauce would go well with. So yes, definitely proud to have Gina and her family showcased in this recipe. This recipe book, and encourage you all to you know, purchase a copy and support local.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Fiona from Matchett Productions and Big Sissy Foods. We are featured in Rojina McDonald's beautiful food, places and food of the Fleurieu. So we're very excited to be a part of this book. We've had a long-standing history in the food industry in South Australia. Vicky Matchett, who is the director and creator of all our products, has been prominent in the food industry, and a lot of the products have come from early days where Vicky started up the Queen of Tarts in Hutt Street, so it's an iconic cafe in Hutt Street. So we're very happy to feature our beautiful chili jam in the book for our chili crab recipe. Yeah, a few words from Regina.
Yes, I'm very happy to have Vicky and Fiona featured in my new release cookbook, showcasing the food and faces of the Fleurieu Peninsula. So if you haven't grabbed a copy of this beautiful book, please do so by visiting any of our featured businesses a lot of information centres, local libraries, gift stores, bookstores across the Fleurieu Peninsula is stocking this beautiful book. And please, share the stories with your friends and family, cook the recipes, and really enjoy what we have here on the Fleurieu Peninsula.